In this video, we are building a real-world business automation and automated payment reminder system for companies. This workflow will track pending payments and automatically send reminder emails without manual follow-up. It's perfect for businesses, freelancers, and finance teams who want to save time and avoid missed payments. I will show you how to structure the workflow and make it run automatically. Let's start building a smart payment reminder using Automaton. So again and again, once again, jokes apart, click the create workflow button, rename your workflow to payment reminder, add a schedule trigger node and set the trigger time to 8 a.m. and test it. Add a Google Sheets node with action get rows in sheet. Using this, we will add our rows in this workflow, or I can say node. Add a code node for JavaScript. After that, add a Gmail node for send a message. Open the Google Sheet to view the column structure. Before this, I want to share that every workflow or every detail, every sheets, every information about the workflow will be provided in the description box. So make sure you check it out. Now paste the code into the code node of JavaScript in Automaton. After this, configure the Gmail node, map subject and message fields from the code output. Now click execute workflow. Oops, error. The workflow fails with cannot read properties of undefined. Okay, let's solve this. Okay, done. Now open Gmail and verify the daily payment digest email. Now, okay, it's done. Using this workflow, you can send mail to the companies for remaining payments. Okay, lastly, click on save and toggle the workflow to inactive to active state. And that's how you automate payment reminders. Simple workflows like this can save hours and improve cash flow. In the next video, we will build another practical automation. Until then, this is PcomLap. Enjoy and learn and keep growing with Tech Beyond Expectations. Thanks for watching.